I love partnering with my friends at City on a Hill to create resources, and I can't wait to share the Grace is Greater products with you. In my book, I wanted to emphasize that grace explained is necessary, but that grace experienced is what's essential. In other words, the best way to understand grace is through receiving it personally. And the test of receiving it personally is, can you tell me a story about the difference grace has made in your life? In the 5-episode series, you're going to hear real people sharing their real story of God's unbelievable grace. In the journal, you'll be guided through a 28-day journey into Ephesians 2, along with reflection questions, exercises and activities, prayers, and memory verses. The journal is designed with a plan to coincide with the video series or the Grace is Greater book. Or you can use it as a standalone, as just an interactive daily devotional that I believe will help you grow in grace. If you do small groups at your church, City provides a thorough leader's guide that facilitates discussion in a group setting with thoughtful questions, suggestions for going deeper, biblical passages to explore, and ways to apply it to everyday life so that the group can be led effectively. I'm also thrilled that City on a Hill has filmed a short documentary following the true story of a man journeying through addiction, homelessness, and regret. It is a powerful and raw testament to God's limitless grace. The Grace is Greater documentary is a memorable way to launch into the grace-themed sermon series with maybe a church movie night to kick off your small group study. They've also created a Grace is Greater's pastor kit that will feature 4 sermons and art files, video clips, essentially everything you need to share this important message of grace with your congregation. Basically, it's everything they could think of. So check out the full collection of resources and get started on helping your congregation or group experience grow in grace by visiting graceisgreaterstudy.com, graceisgreaterstudy.com.